So hi guys, welcome to the 20 days of Power BI from beginning to advance from zero to hero. And today we are going to learn a very important topic, that is we are going to merge data sets. Okay, how you merge data set using Power BI and all that. So first we watch the data. First we just look a little bit on the data. So our data is like that. In this case we have a worksheet that is sales 2023, of the data of sales 2023 of a particular company. We have the sale id, we have the product, we have the quantity, we have the sale amount, sale date, year. Okay, the company's sales for the year 2023, and similarly we have the sales data of 2024. Okay, so you can have the sales data of 2025 also, 2026 also. Now in that case, if you want to work with the whole data from sale id to sales year, from sale id to sales year, and you want the whole data of both 2023 and 24, what should you do? In excel you can do it very easily, because just go to another sheet, just copy and paste from here, and then again you have to copy and paste from sales 2024, and you can get a new sheet and the data can be merged. But this can be done using Power BI in a very easy way. So how we do this? Okay, so let's just first go to Power BI. Okay, after opening Power BI we just get the data first. Our data name is the data is named as merge append Power BI data. Okay, we just open the data, and as I said, it will take some time to open the data. We just take these two sheets, sales 2023 and sales 2024, because we will be working with this only. Okay, now I just click on sales 2023 and sales 2024, and I just click on load. I just click on load. Okay, so sales 2023, sales 2024 is being imported. Okay, so I will just cancel this and I will just cancel. Okay, now I will go to transform data, and I will go to transform data again. After going to transform data, you can see already sales 2023 and sales 2024 was there, or it was being imported already. That is why it is showing sales 2000 sales 2023 it became 2, and sales 2024 it became 2. Okay, so we can work with one of the data. We suppose we will be working with I am deleting the data first because it has repeated several times. So this is our data, sales 2023, and this is our sales 2024. Okay, so now you can see as our data sales 2023. The thing is that in this case sales 2024, the this is our sheet, and sales 2023, this is the sheet for 2023, the sales of the company for 2023. I want to join these two data set alone. I want to join these two data set and make a particular sheet. I want to merge these two data set. I want to join these two data set row wise, because in sales 2023 I just do it as what why I am doing it. I will just show you. Use first row as use headers as first row, and use headers as first row. Okay, something went wrong. Let me just check. I have there are so many applied steps already. So the thing is that this is the original data. We have sale ID, we have product, we have quantity, we have sale amount, we have sale data, and year for the 2023, and similarly for 2024. Now one thing, if you go on merging the data set in Power BI, you have to look upon one thing that I was doing right now. You have to see that both the worksheet sales 2023 as well as sales 2024, in both the worksheet the column heading sale id, product, quantity, sale amount, sale date, year, the column heading should be same for both the worksheets. If I check for sale 2023, sale id, product, quantity, sale amount, sale data, year, and if I go for sales 2024, sale id, product, quantity, sale amount, sale date, year. So in both the cases the column heading is same. In both the cases the column heading is same, so we do not have to worry for that. If the column heading was not same, then what we will do, I will show you. Okay, do not worry for that. Now suppose since the column heading is same, so we do not have to do any kind of other things. We can basically use a very short trick in Power BI and merge the data set within fraction of seconds. Okay, so for that what we will go for this merge queries. I have already completed choose columns, remove columns, keep rows, remove rows, sort, split column, and all that we have already completed. We will do group by tomorrow. We will do group by tomorrow, but we go to merge queries. We go to merge queries or append queries. We go to append queries, and there is an option append queries, and there is an option append queries as new. Always click on append queries as new. Okay. If you want to join your dataset, in this case I want to join my dataset row wise. I want to join my dataset row wise. First I will take the sales data 2023, and after that I will take the sales data 2024. So I will join the dataset row wise. That is why I am using append queries, and I go to append queries as new. Okay. After going to append queries as new, what I will do, how many tables do you have? You have two tables, because one is sales 2023 and one is sales 2024. I will click on two tables. First table, if what is the first table you want to take, means which dataset should appear first, sales 2024 or 23. I want 2023 first, then 2024 first. I want in ascending order by year. So I want sales 2023 first, the data of sales 2023 first, and then the data of sales 2024. Okay. If you want sales 2024 first, then you can just click here and give sales 2024. But I want sales 2023, the data of sales 2023 first, and then I want the data of sales 2024, and I want in a particular sheet. Okay. The second table is sales 2024. So sales 2023 is done, sales 2024 is done. I just basically simply click on OK. So you can see it came like append 1. It came like append 1. The new data set is being named as append 1. If you want to change the name of the data set, just click here, double click here, and write sales 2023 and 24. You give the name as sales 23 and 24. So you can just change the name also. Okay. So why it worked easily? The thing is that why it worked easily. Now in case of sales to 23 and 24, you can go and you can just scroll the whole thing. You can get that how many, all the data set from sales 2023 and 24 is being merged. Okay. Now why this worked very easily? The first thing I told you, that when you are going for append queries or merge queries, one thing you should always remember. The thing you should always remember is that both the worksheet you are merging row wise, both the worksheet you are merging row wise, for example sales 2023 and sales 2024, the name of the column, the name of the column or the column heading should be same for those. The column heading should be same for those. If the column heading is not same for those, then you cannot do like that. If the column heading is not same for those, you cannot do like that. You cannot append the, or you cannot merge the dataset row wise. You will face a problem. So in that case, what you will do? Okay, let me first delete this. Okay, I am just deleting it again. I am just deleting this total worksheet. Okay. Now suppose my data looks like it was sales ID, it was sale ID, and it was product, it was quantity, sale amount, sale date, year. And in this case, suppose it was not sale ID, it was something like sales number, or it was something like only sales. There was no term like ID. So if the column name doesn't match for those, if the column name doesn't match for 2023 and 24, you cannot directly use append queries. You cannot directly use append queries and cannot directly merge the dataset row wise. What you have to do, just look, you go to sales 2023, there is an option use first row as headers. I will click this drop down, and I will do what I will do, use headers as first row, use first row as headers, and use headers as first row. So use headers as first row, so I can click to use headers as first row. So when I clicked use headers as first row, the name of the column heading changes automatically, and it takes the name column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5, column 6. Now similarly I will go to 2024 and I will do the same repeated thing, use headers as first row. If I do use headers as first row, then it also appears column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5, column 6. Now if there was a change in the name, if both the worksheets heading have different names, now it has turned to column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5, column 6 for all the worksheets. Now if you go to sales 2023, the heading is column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. If you go to sales 2024, column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. Though Therefore, the name is now becoming similar in both the worksheet. Now I can use the append queries. If the name was not similar, I cannot directly use the append queries. In the first case, when I used append queries, the name was similar. That is why I used append queries. But if it may happen that you have two worksheets and you do not have the similar name, similar column heading name in both the worksheets, then what you will do? You will go to use first row as headers, click this drop down and use headers as first row. Okay. Now I will go to append queries. I will go to append queries as new, and after going to append queries as new, I will now give sales 2023 first table and second table sales 2024. I will click on OK. Now this will work, and in this case, now in this append queries you can see that sale id, product, quantity, sale amount, sale date, year became the first row of the data set. But you do not want there, you do not need that data set. This is something like the column heading, but the column name become column 1, column 2, column 3, because you have renamed it in sales 2023 and 2024. So while appending it, while merging the data set, it also took column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5, column 6. So in this case, what we will do, do not worry, just go to append 1, just select append 1 and again go to use first row as headers. Just click use first row as headers. What is your first row? Your first row is sale id, product, quantity, sale amount, sale date, year. So I will take this as header. Header means I will take this as column names. So I click as use first row as headers. So you can see sale id, product, quantity, sale amount, sale date, year became. So if you have two different name of data sets, column heading, the name of the column heading are different in two data sets or two sheets, you first change their name to column 1, column 2, column 3, and again after appending it, after merging the data, you change that row as headers again. Then you will also get sale id, product, quantity, sale amount, sale date, year. So this is a very easy way, and if you want to work with two or more, if there are if you have 5 tables, then you go to append queries. After going to append queries as new, and in this append queries as new, there is 3 or more tables. You can click on 3 or more tables. If you want to add 3 or more tables, you can add those tables by clicking, double clicking on that, by double clicking on that, and by double clicking on that. Double right click. If you do double right click and click on OK, then it will also work. Okay. If you have 5 tables, if you have 6 tables, you can merge it easily using Power BI. So wait for the next video. So please subscribe our channel, and we will learn group by tomorrow. Okay. Thank you guys.